I dreamt all last night, oh bad cess to my dreaming. I'd die if I thought 'twould come surely to pass. I dreamt while the tears down my pillow came streaming, that Teddy was courting another fair lass. And didn't I wake with weeping and wailing? The grief in my heart was too deep to conceal. My mother cried, Nora dear, what is your ailing? And all I could answer was Teddy O'Neill.
Talk for Columbus a sailing across the Atlantic Sea, but he never tried to go railing from Ennis as far as Kilkee. You run for the train in the morning, the excursion train starting at 8. You're there when the clock gives a warning, and there for an hour you will wait. And as you're waiting in the train, you'll hear the guard sing this refrain. Are you right there, Michael, are you right? Do you think that we'll be there before the night? Oh, we've been so late in starting that I couldn't say for certain. Still we might, Michael, so we might.
When first I saw the love light in your eyes, I thought the world held naught but joy for me. And even though we drifted far apart, I never dreamed but what I dreamed of thee. I love you as I never loved before, since first I saw you on the village green. Come to me till my dreams of love are o'er. I love you as I loved you when you were sweet, when you were sweet 16. Dormahut.